How to appear offline on Messenger even when you are online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on Messenger even when you are online. So first of all, let us open our Messenger app. And now as you can see, all of these people whom are active as of now. So currently I'm also active and other people can see me as active on my Messenger. But if I want to turn that off, what you have to do is simply tap on your profile icon or the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, tap on this gear icon and then you will be taken to the settings page. Now just under your name, you will see three options: dark mode, active status and username. So tap on the second one, which is active status, and as you can see, it is currently turned on. So if this is in blue, it means that it is turned on, and if you tap on it, you'll be able to pause your activity status. So you can pause your activity status until you want to change it, or you could also set it to, like for example, 1 hour, 8 hours, or until 8 p.m. or something like that. You can also set a custom one, but until I change it is the most common one and the most efficient one. So let's simply tap on change, and now this turning gray means that your active status is turned off, and now your activity status will be hidden from everyone. Now the major disadvantage of turning off activity status is that you also won't be able to see when other people are active, and so won't they. So even if you are active, other people will still see you as offline, and that is basically how you appear offline on Messenger even when you are online. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.